Ayurvedic Beauty Secrets, Ancient Wisdom for Modern Beauty. Ayurvedic Beauty Secrets, Ancient Wisdom for Modern Beauty. In our quest for beauty and radiance, we often turn to modern cosmetic products that promise quick fix solutions. However, there is a treasure trove of ancient knowledge that can offer lasting and holistic beauty benefits. Ayurveda, an ancient Indian system of medicine and wellness, provides us with a wealth of beauty secrets that have stood the test of time. From glowing skin to lustrous hair, Ayurvedic beauty rituals offer a natural and sustainable approach to enhancing our external beauty, while also nurturing our internal well-being. Ayurveda, which translates to the science of life, is deeply rooted in the belief that beauty starts from within. According to this philosophy, true beauty is a reflection of our overall health and well-being. Ayurvedic beauty rituals aim to restore balance in the body, mind, and spirit, thus promoting natural beauty that shines from within. One of the fundamental principles of Ayurveda is the identification of an individual's unique mind-body constitution, known as dashas. The three dashas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, are derived from the five elements: ether, air, fire, water, and earth. Understanding one's dosha is key to tailoring an effective beauty regimen. For Vata skin types, which are characterized by dryness, fine lines, and a tendency toward sensitivity, Ayurveda recommends nourishing and hydrating practices. This includes regular self-massage with warm oils like sesame or almond oil to soothe and moisturize the skin. Facial masks made from natural ingredients like avocado, honey, and coconut oil can further enhance moisture retention. Pitta skin types, which are prone to inflammation, sensitivity, and acne, benefit from cooling and calming practices. Ayurvedic beauty suggests the use of aloe vera gel, cucumber, and sandalwood in skincare products to reduce redness and soothe the skin. Gentle exfoliation with natural scrubs like oatmeal or chickpea flour can help remove excess oil and impurities, promoting a clearer complexion. Kapha skin types, which tend to be oily and prone to congestion and enlarged pores, can benefit from practices that balance oil production and purify the skin. Ayurveda advises incorporating ingredients like turmeric, neem, and honey into skincare routines. Additionally, regular steam treatments and herbal face masks can help detoxify the skin and minimize pores. Beyond skincare, Ayurveda emphasizes the importance of a well-balanced and nourishing diet for maintaining beauty and overall well-being. According to Ayurveda, a diet rich in fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats helps maintain healthy skin, hair, and nails. Additionally, Ayurvedic teachings emphasize the consumption of warm, cooked foods over raw and cold foods, as they are believed to be easier to digest and promote optimal nutrient absorption. Herbs and spices are also an integral part of Ayurvedic beauty rituals. Turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, is often used in face masks and scrubs to brighten the skin and reduce blemishes. Neem, a powerful antibacterial and antimicrobial herb, is commonly used in skincare products for its ability to combat acne and promote clear skin. Amla, or Indian gooseberry, is rich in vitamin C and is revered for its ability to strengthen hair and promote hair growth. Ayurveda also advocates the practice of self-care rituals that extend beyond skincare. Daily practices such as oil pulling, tongue scraping, and dry brushing stimulate the body's natural detoxification processes and promote oral and overall health. Incorporating meditation and yoga into our daily routines helps reduce stress and anxiety, which can have a positive impact on our physical appearance. In recent years, the popularity of Ayurvedic beauty rituals has grown significantly, and many beauty brands are now incorporating these ancient practices into their products. However, it is essential to be mindful of the authenticity and quality of these products. Ayurvedic beauty secrets have gained popularity in recent years as individuals seek natural and sustainable approaches to enhance their external beauty while nurturing their internal well-being. The ancient Indian system of medicine and wellness, Ayurveda, offers a wealth of beauty rituals that have stood the test of time. According to Ayurveda, beauty starts from within, and it is a reflection of our overall health and well-being. By restoring balance in the body, mind, and spirit, Ayurvedic beauty rituals promote natural beauty that radiates from within. A fundamental principle of Ayurveda involves identifying an individual's unique mind-body constitution, known as dashas. These dashas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, derive from the 5 elements: ether, air, fire, water, and earth. Understanding one's dosha is crucial in tailoring an effective beauty regimen. For Vata skin types, which tend to be dry and sensitive with fine lines, Ayurveda recommends nourishing and hydrating practices. Regular self-massage with warm oils like sesame or almond oil can soothe and moisturize the skin. Facial masks made from natural ingredients such as avocado, honey, and coconut oil promote moisture retention. Pitta skin types, prone to inflammation, sensitivity, and acne, benefit from cooling and calming practices. Ayurvedic beauty suggests using aloe vera gel, cucumber, and sandalwood in skincare product to reduce redness and soothe the skin. Gentle exfoliation with natural scrubs like oatmeal or chickpea flour helps remove excess oil and impurities, leading to a clearer complexion. Kapha skin types, often oily and prone to congestion and enlarged pores, can benefit from practices that balance oil production and purify the skin. Ayurveda advises incorporating ingredients like turmeric, neem, and honey into skincare routines. Regular steam treatments and herbal face masks aid in detoxifying the skin and minimizing pores. In addition to skincare, Ayurveda places emphasis on maintaining beauty and overall well-being through a well-balanced and nourishing diet. Fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats contribute to healthy skin, hair, and nails. Ayurvedic teachings also stress the importance of consuming warm, cooked foods over raw and cold foods as they are believed to be easier to digest and promote optimal nutrient absorption. Herbs and spices play a vital role in Ayurvedic beauty rituals. Turmeric, with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, brightens the skin and reduces blemishes when used in face masks and scrubs. Neem, a powerful antibacterial and antimicrobial herb, is commonly found in skincare products for its ability to combat acne and promote clear skin. Amla, or Indian gooseberry, rich in vitamin C, strengthens hair and promotes hair growth. Ayurveda encourages self-care rituals that extend beyond skincare. Daily practices like oil pulling, tongue scraping, and dry brushing stimulate the body's natural detoxification processes and promote oral and overall health. Incorporating meditation and yoga